In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste a link in Google Chrome. Need to share a website fast? Here's a clear, friendly walkthrough you can follow on both your computer and your phone. We'll keep it simple, and I'll add a few tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. On a PC or laptop, start by clicking the address bar at the very top of Chrome. One single click should highlight the entire web address from start to finish. You'll know it worked when the link turns blue. If it doesn't highlight the whole thing on your first try, click once more to select it all. With the link selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. That's the universal copy shortcut in Chrome on Windows. The link is now saved to your clipboard, ready to be used anywhere you need it. To paste what you just copied, move to the place where you want the link to go. That could be a new browser tab, a document, an email, or a chat. Click into the spot where you want the text to appear so the cursor is active, then press Ctrl and V. Your link will drop right in. If you're pasting into the Chrome address bar to open the page, hit Enter, and the browser will take you there immediately. Prefer using the mouse? Right-click in the text field and choose Paste from the menu. It does the exact same thing. Now let's do the same on your phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Open Chrome and tap the address bar once. You'll see a small row of icons appear just below it or near your keyboard. Tap the copy icon. It looks like two overlapping squares. That saves the entire web address to your clipboard. You don't need to select the text manually. A single tap on the address bar tells Chrome to grab the full link for you. To paste on mobile, go to any app or text field where you want the link, maybe a message, an email, or a notes app. Tap the area where you want the link, then press and hold for about a second. When the paste option appears, tap it, and the link will appear instantly. If you don't see paste right away, lift your finger and try pressing and holding again in the text box. That's all there is to it. Click or tap the address bar, copy, then paste wherever you need the link, and on desktop, hit Enter to go. Sharing links made simple. You're all set, done.